Today I'm going to show you how you can clone almost any YouTube channel and build a channel capable of earning thousands of dollars every month. This is going to be a very important video, so make sure you watch until the end. First of all, the video you're about to see was created entirely with 100% free AI tools by following the same channel cloning process that I'm going to demonstrate. Watch this example first, and then we'll go through everything step by step.
They had been married for exactly 31 hours. The kind of newly married that still tastes like cake and irons creases out of a borrowed suit. The kind where every small thing, a joke, a glance, a hand finding another hand on a car seat, still feels like the first time. The road ahead looked endless, and for a while that was exactly how they wanted it. They didn't know yet that some roads take that wish a little too literally. The gas station appeared out of nowhere, the way the last stop before nothing always does. The old man behind the counter had the kind of stillness.
Now that you've seen the sample, let's take a look at a Hindi YouTube channel called Coney Monday. At the time of recording, this channel is generating around $12,000 per month. It has approximately 6.45 million subscribers with only around 900 uploaded videos. Many of its videos rank very well within just 7 days of publishing. The channel uploads both shorts and long-form videos, and it's fully monetized. If you look at the thumbnails and storytelling style, you'll notice that the content is built around horror stories with attractive thumbnails and professional editing. In this video, I'll show you one of the easiest ways to recreate this style using free AI tools. Without wasting any more time, I've already prepared a complete master prompt for you, and you'll find the download link in the description. First, open the document and copy Step 1 and Step 2. After that, go to Claude AI. Log into your account, paste the prompt, and click Generate. Claude AI will immediately provide several story ideas along with titles and scripts, helping you decide which story to create. If you don't like any of the suggested stories, simply type a custom request such as, "Can you give me a story about a newly married man or woman traveling?" Claude AI will then generate several new story ideas, and you can choose the one you like best. Once you've selected your story, return to the document and copy Step 3 and Step 4. Paste them into Claude AI along with your selected story title, then click Generate. Claude AI will start creating your complete story. Before moving to the next step, open the original channel and take screenshots of the characters from any video. These reference images are very important because we'll use them to generate consistent characters. Upload the screenshots into Claude AI and simply write, "I want these types of character styles exactly the same for my images." Because you're providing reference images, Claude AI will generate highly detailed and consistent characters in the same visual style. The next step is generating scenes. Although you can use ChatGPT for this, I personally recommend staying inside Claude AI to maintain consistency throughout the project. Go back to the master prompt document and copy Step 6, which includes the image prompts and video prompts. Paste everything into Claude AI along with your character details, then click Generate. Claude AI will first analyze all the information and then automatically create a complete storyboard for your project. As you can see, the storyboard includes every scene, along with professional image prompts, cinematic video prompts, and a complete voiceover script. You can even download the entire storyboard directly from there. Now we've successfully generated the full script, storyboard, image prompts, and video prompts. The only remaining steps are generating the images, creating the videos, and producing the AI voiceover. These final steps are extremely important, so let's continue and complete the entire process. Now it's time to use a free AI tool for image generation. The tool we'll be using is Leonardo AI. Simply visit Leonardo AI, log into your account, and you'll receive 150 free credits. After logging in, click on Image Generation. Set the model to GPT Image 2. Choose the 16:9 aspect ratio and set the quality to low. Even the low quality setting produces HD images while consuming only 8 credits per generation. Next, go to Claude AI and copy the complete positive character prompt along with a negative prompt. Paste both of them into Leonardo AI. After that, return to Claude AI and copy the first scene's image prompt. Paste it into the image prompt section in Leonardo AI and click Generate. Your first image will be created within a few moments. If the generated image looks too realistic, simply change the style from realistic to 2D animation. Disable the realistic option if necessary. and generate the image again. One very important tip is to always upload your reference character screenshots before generating images. These reference images help Leonardo AI analyze the character design and produce much more consistent results throughout the entire story. Once everything is ready, click Generate again, and your first high-quality 2D anime-style image will be created. From this point onward, the workflow is extremely simple. Go back to Claude AI, copy the next scene's image prompt, replace the previous prompt inside Leonardo AI, and click Generate again. Repeat this same process for every scene in your storyboard. If you're creating a long-form YouTube video, you'll usually need around 20 to 30 images. If you're creating a YouTube short, you'll need approximately 15 images. Personally, I recommend making long-form videos because YouTube generally favors long-form content for better watch time and revenue. However, if you prefer shorts, try to keep the final video under 1 minute. My job is to teach you the complete workflow, while your job is to apply it and create your own videos. You can see the process is very straightforward. Copy the prompt, paste it into Leonardo AI, and click Generate. With 150 free credits and only 8 credits used per image, you can comfortably generate around 30 high-quality images for a complete project. One by one, your scenes will be created with beautifully consistent characters and a professional 2D animation style, closely matching the style of the reference channel we looked at earlier. Once all your images are finished, the image generation phase is complete, and we're ready to move on to the next step, generating the video. Now it's time for video generation. For this step, we'll be using Flow AI, one of my favorite free AI video generation tools. If you only have 50 credits left, don't worry. Simply create a new account, log in, and you'll receive around 150 free credits. Once you're logged in, click Create New Project and upload all of the images you generated in the previous step. After the upload is complete, your images will appear one by one inside the project. Select the first image and click Add to Prompt. For the model, choose Google Veo 3.1 Lite. Do not select OmniFlash or the fast version, only use Veo 3.1 Lite. Next, go back to Claude AI. Copy the first video prompt that was already generated for your storyboard, paste it into Flow AI, and click Generate. The AI agent will begin analyzing your prompt, so it may take a little longer than usual. Once the video is ready, preview it to see the results. You'll notice smooth animations, consistent character design, beautiful camera movement, and high-quality 2D animated visuals. Even the sound effects are generated automatically, so in many cases you won't need to add background sound manually. After generating the first clip, repeat the exact same process for every remaining scene. Select the next image, click Add to Prompt, copy the corresponding video prompt from Claude AI, paste it into Flow AI, and click Generate. The first time you generate another clip, Flow AI may ask for confirmation. Simply click Approve and select Do Not Ask Me Again so future generations will start automatically without additional confirmation. Continue this workflow until all of your scenes have been converted into videos. As each clip is completed, review the animation quality and consistency. You'll see that every scene maintains the same visual style, making the final story look professional and engaging. Out of credits before finishing all your scenes? Don't worry. Open another browser, create a new account, upload your remaining images, choose the Google Veo 3.1 Lite model again, paste the matching video prompts, and continue generating the rest of your clips using the same workflow. Once all of your video clips are finished, the video generation stage is complete. The next step is creating the voiceover. Go back to Claude AI and simply ask it, please give me the voiceover in paragraph format. It will instantly convert your script into a clean voiceover paragraph. Copy the generated text and open ElevenLabs. Click Generate. Choose Text-to-Speech, paste your script into the text box, and then select your preferred voice. Personally, I like using the Roger voice because it sounds natural and works well for storytelling. After selecting the voice, click Generate Speech, and within just a few seconds, your professional AI voiceover will be ready. Now we move to the final stage, editing, where everything comes together. Open CapCut and import your generated voiceover onto the timeline first. Adjust its timing if needed, then begin adding your generated video clips one by one according to the narration. Make sure every scene matches what the narrator is saying, as this helps improve audience retention and keeps viewers engaged throughout the story. Continue arranging all of your clips until the entire story is complete. If necessary, add still images wherever they fit naturally within the sequence. Next, apply a simple black fade transition between scenes to create smooth visual flow. After that, Add background music. This is an important step for creating an immersive viewing experience. In the audio section in CapCut, search for a horror-style background track and choose the one that best matches your story. Adjust the volume so it complements the voiceover without overpowering it. Finally, generate auto captions. Then choose a caption template that best suits your video style. Once everything is synchronized, export your project and your final AI-generated story video is complete. As you can see, we've successfully recreated the storytelling style of a successful channel using completely free AI tools. Now it's your turn. Create your own YouTube channel. Design matching logos and thumbnails using the methods I've shared in previous videos, and upload both long-form videos and shorts consistently in the same visual style. Stay consistent. Keep improving your content, and you'll start seeing your channel grow over time. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.